Make a Jell-O pudding cake frosting. Using Jell-O pudding as a cake frosting is an easy and fast way to dress your cake up. It is a stress-free but delicious recipe, designed to prove you that not all sweet things are hard to achieve. Here are the steps to making a Jell-O pudding frosting. Gather the materials within easy reach. It is a basic baking rule to have all your ingredients ready by the time you start. For this particularly sweet recipe, arrange the following ingredients on your working table: a package of Jell-O instant pudding with the flavor of your choice, 1 cup of milk or a half-half, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, optional, and 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Also, don't forget the baking materials that you are going to use for this recipe: a mixing bowl, a saucepan, and a mixer. Make sure that they are in good working conditions. Choose the flavor of the Jell-O flavor you wish to use. There are a lot of varieties to choose from. Your decision on which type to use depends on the cake you are making. Although, some would naturally go with the cake's flavoring, others would prefer having the icing as a complementary taste to their cake's flavor. The wide variety enables you to play with taste. For a complete list of Jell-O pudding flavors, check their website for more information. Choose the right kind of sugar. This is a make or break decision you can have in cake making. The same hold true with icing making. The fine granulated one is the ideal kind. Hence you'll risk having a coarse-grained cake texture. If you have a fruit or dark cake, you can use a light brown to dark brown sugar. However, keep in mind that the substitution is weight for weight versus the granulated one. Combine the milk, pudding mix, and the butter in a saucepan. Heat these 3 ingredients in a saucepan while continuously mixing. Bring it to a boil for about a minute. If you have decided to use half-half instead of milk, add about 2 tablespoons of water because it is thicker than the regular milk. Let the mixture cool down for about 15 minutes. It is ideal to have the frosting in room temperature before applying it on the cake. Once it has cooled down, add the sugar and continue mixing. Pay attention to mixing the recipe well. Proper mixing has great implications in the texture result of a frosting. The best and ideal frostings have undergone rigorous and continuous mixing. Smoothness would mean that it is well done. Add the Cool Whip. Fold it in a systematic manner with the mixture. A spatula will come in handy for this step. Apply the frosting on the cake using a Lazy Susan or any turning device. This will ensure that the frosting is smoothly and equally applied to all sides. Make sure to apply the frosting under room temperature. Making a cake's frosting using Jell-O pudding is a new and refreshing way to complete your cake. Your guests will surely have a refreshed and different cake tasting experience from the conventional icing most cakes have.